social media folks and like small business owners and here in downtown Summerlin, make sure to follow Anoushka on her social media on Instagram at For Your Reputation. Can you tell us what we're going to try right here?
Yeah, this is a special golden milk cheesecake that I made. So it uses Dina's turmeric and then also some spices like ginger, cinnamon, a little bit of cardamom. So it's a cashew-based filling, like all of my cheesecakes, and then almond date crust. So
okay.
Each one has a full serving of organic raw nuts in it.
All right, I'm gonna give it a try. Oh. That's really good.
Thank you.
It almost reminds me of like a pumpkin pie a little bit.
Yeah, it has a lot of the same taste as the pumpkin pie.
That's really good.
That is so good.
Right?
That is really good. Oh my god.
Okay, so where can people find your cheesecake or your amazing cookies right here that are vegan, right?
Yeah, everything's vegan, everything's plant-based. So I'll be here today until 5, tomorrow 10 to 5, and 10 to 4 on Sunday. And then I also sell at a few stores in town. The biggest one is the market down on Fremont. In the freezer section, you can find all the cheesecakes there.
Awesomeness. Cool.
Hi everybody, I'm Dina Lynn. I'm an organic turmeric purveyor. I have a farm in Costa Rica, and Costa Rica is like the most prime land to grow turmeric. It's one of the top, I don't want to call it a superfood, but there's so much talk about it these days, and there's science behind it, but then where do you get the best? And that's where Timeless Turmeric comes in. We bring you farmer direct, farm fresh turmeric without irradiation, with no ethylene oxides, of course organically grown. But people will probably say, well, I can get turmeric at the dollar store. Yes, you can. But turmeric does not heal the body. There's a compound in turmeric called curcumin. And what happens is because of your radiation, most people are getting this. So Lance, can you, or what would you, how about yourself? Come on over here. This is from Picked Up. Hi there.
Hi.
Smell this. This is a brand that we picked up from a very reputable store.
Okay.
And I will make it for the record, this is not against the stores. It's really a message against industrial farming and their methods.
Yeah.
So smell this here.
Yeah.
Does it smell familiar?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So most people will say that it smells familiar. So because turmeric isn't healed, more than likely it's a dead spice. There's no curcumin in it. It's just a yellow spice because of the irradiation process. So the first thing you'll notice is our color difference. So you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more vibrant.
More vibrant.
Vibrant.
For sure.
Not just vibrant, but I want you to smell this here.
It's completely different. It's completely different.
Isn't that?
Yeah.
That is because it's curcumin rich, and we use no ethylene oxides, we don't irradiate, and no herbicides, no pesticides on the farm, and it's 100% veganic, meaning we use plant matter to grow our crops versus animal products such as cow dung, all those things that people are doing in industrial farming. So yeah, it's, I mean, and people, the taste is even different. People say it's bitter. Well, if you have good farm fresh turmeric, it's not bitter.
Yeah. What about, oh, I just wanted to ask a question. Sure. What about, you see fermented turmeric these days?
I have no clue what that is, to be honest with you. Unless, I mean, is it like, I know about kombucha, but it's probably a processed product because of the, if it's fermented. But they would get, I know that with ours, like you can buy our turmeric and you can make products with it, which people do all the time.
Okay.
But I've never done any fermenting. That's like a turmeric kombucha or something like that. Or a supplement. There's nothing wrong with supplements, but like I always tell people, pick a vitamin C supplement or eat the real thing.
Right.
That's really
well, you can definitely, you can see the difference, and you can definitely smell the
and
difference.
taste the difference too. And there's a golden milk sample that was just sampled a few minutes ago, and they used our turmeric in that beautiful golden milk, the cheesecake sample. And there's a difference because it's clean. Unirradiated spices are clean, and they make a big difference in the taste and quality of our foods. So that's where we come in. Yeah.
So where can people find this awesome product?
Well, we're all over social media, and you can find our website at timelessturmeric.com. And then if you're local in the Las Vegas area, you select will calls to save on shipping, or you can come visit us at Vintage Market this weekend, or you can come to Rod's Farmers Market at Downtown Summerlin every Saturday from 9 to 2 o'clock p.m. We are seasonal. Our product is, it only grows once a year. So that's what also makes it pretty special. You're never eating an old spice. You're always eating fresh from the current season.
Awesome.
So yeah, just check us out. If you have any questions and ask away. I'm not a doctor of science, but I love to provide the science behind it. And there's a lot of it. 10,000 studies. 10,000 studies by PubMed.gov that show the benefits of eating turmeric on a daily basis. So yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, pura vida.
Jackson, and I make cutting boards primarily. We make wedding and anniversary gifts. We're trying to find something in like the men's fashion department, so we decided to make some more manly bow ties, and some of them have designs on them, as this Oklahoma City one does. They come with an elastic strap that just hooks and loops. They can find me at Amazon Handmade or Etsy, and you search Naked Woodworks. Also Facebook and Instagram, Naked Woodworks.
Awesomeness. Here's some designs, right? We have brown, and we have, I guess, non-painted. Is that what that is? Or non-stained? Okay.
Hi, this is Anoushka from For Your Reputation, and I'm sitting down with this beauty. Can you tell us your name and what you do?
Yeah, my name is Marissa. I'm a social media influencer in Belgium and Las Vegas now. I just moved a couple of weeks ago. And today we're shooting for HLN. HLN is a program in Belgium, and I'm presenting the viral tree videos from the internet. So the best viral tree videos from the internet.
Oh, wow.
So we choose the 3 best videos from this week, and I tell about what is going and what the videos are about.
Okay. And where can people find you and how you choose these videos?
They can find me on my own Instagram,
Gal.
Marissa Gal, yeah, Galle.
Galle.
Yeah. And on the page of HLN Video, that's on Facebook.
Oh, great. Well, we can't wait to check it out and see the viral videos of the week.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
My name's Erica. I'm with Gypsy Junkies and I'm the general manager.
I'm Bree and this is Gypsy Junkies.
What we offer, we do handmade jewelry, we also do bedazzled like shoes, and currently we've been doing a lot of the Converse, as well as the owner designs all the clothes, and we do retail and wholesale on our website.
Okay, awesome. McGowan here and Anoushka, and thank you so much for joining us today for the video and talking to all the social media folks and like small business owners and here in downtown Summerlin. Make sure to follow Anoushka on her social media on Instagram at For Your Reputation. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe as well. If you found some value out of today's video, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.